I liked maths and statistics, figuring things out. And in previous roles, I'd already started doing bits of data analysis, but I didn't really know what direction to take. And then I came across data science and thought, this is exactly what I've been looking for.
Every system we rely on is generating information. Data science is about taking that information and using it to solve real problems. That might be something like planning transport, improving healthcare, tackling environmental challenges, looking at climate patterns, biodiversity, or food production.
When I found data science, I felt like it was something that I wanted to pursue, but at the same time I'd got a lot going on. I was working, I had a family, and I hadn't studied for a long time, so there was definitely that thought of, can I actually do this? Studying part-time meant I didn't have to put everything else on hold. I could fit it around my life and take it one step at a time.
You don't need to come from a data science background. We build your understanding step by step. Many of our students are already working or balancing other commitments, so the course is designed to be flexible, to fit around your life, and you're supported throughout. You'll have a dedicated tutor, regular contact, and feedback to help you progress.
You're given a problem, and at first it can feel quite messy. There's a lot of information and it's not always clear what actually matters. But over time you learn how to break things down and how to approach it like step by step and focus on what's important.
Students work with real-world data and real-world problems. So students learn how to question data. What's missing? What might be biased? And what it's really telling them. They also develop the computing skills needed to work with data, using coding to explore data sets, build models, and answer real questions.
I don't just look at data anymore. I question it. I think about where it's come from, what might be missing, and what it's actually telling me. I'm more structured in how I approach problems and more confident in my decisions. And for me, that's led directly to a new role as a data analyst.
What students develop is a way of thinking. They're able to take complex information, break it down, and focus on what actually matters. And just as importantly, they're able to communicate that clearly, so what they've found can actually be used. Those are skills that are in demand across many industries, from business and finance to technology, healthcare, and beyond. It's also a professionally accredited course, ensuring it meets recognised industry standards. So whether you're looking to change direction, progress your current role, or move into something new,
Explore data science at the Open University.